currently looking for kitchen organizers, food containers, and I already bought them. Yeah, and also one for the fridge. This kind of organizers, like a pull-out fridge organizers. Yeah, something like this. My goal is to turn our fridge into something like this. Yeah, I've been searching for a lot of references on Pinterest, really soaking up the inspiration because my fridge, it's let me show you. Yeah, it kind of messy, right? And everything is just thrown in there, you know what I mean? Ugh. Okay. And you know guys, I really want that satisfying feeling when you open the fridge and everything is so organized and clean and beautiful. So yeah, that's my goal and we will make it, right? That's why, guys, in today's episode, we will make a full fridge organization makeover. So get ready, there will be a lot of organizer unboxings coming up soon. Yeah, but I'm so excited. Guys, look! Oh my god! My plant is opening new leaves. First and second. Wow! It's so beautiful, so magical. It feels like my babies. Ooh. I've never used to understand my mom's love for plants, but you know what? I've literally become my mom. Yeah. But honestly though, it's like such form of meditation, a little routine that really grounds me, you know? And always when I see like a new leaves, it's like a new life. Oh, it feels so amazing. And look, I have a new leaf over here too. And soon we will have like a new babies here too. So yeah, oh my god, I just love this. So guys, we got a couple of new packages, so it's unboxing time, yes! And guys, I really hope that you are enjoying watching our unboxings as much as I enjoy doing them. I really hope so, so yeah. I think I will start with the smaller one. Oh my god! That's cute. That's so cute. I got a couple of new napkins and placemats. I really like the packaging. It's our napkins. Set of 2 in yellow. And another set in this gorgeous blue with red. Wow, look at it. Ooh, so amazing. We also have a set of 2 in white and red. Oh, I like these napkins. Oh my god. And then we have our placemats. Oh, it's so adorable. Oh my god, what? Our placemats in blue and red. Look at these waves. Oh. Then another placemat in red and pink, but it's more like a dusty pink, you know? Ooh. Yellow and white, and this is the last one. I think they are my favorite ones. Wow! Placemats in green and white, and see, diet starts tomorrow. We have here like shrimps or lobsters, I don't know. Oh, I love it, and I like this like a little fork and knife. So yeah, looks like this. This is our new placement, guys. let's start with this. This is an organizer storage, but it's so small. It's from Hey. I ordered just one because I want to look at them. Ooh, in this lavender color. Cute. Okay. Wow. Ooh, it's so big. It's a hooks that I want to use in my bathroom, but the size. It's like a tennis ball. I thought they will be like this big. Maybe we will not use you. I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're my favorite one. 5. Maybe this one is my favorite one. Oh, I love them. I really do. Yeah. Yes. Then, wow, we got a trash bin. I like this combination of black and white and green and blue inside. Ooh. And then, oh yeah. Oh my god. It's our new tablecloth and it's Yoshito Manara. If you know, you know. Oh my god, I like these paintings and they will change every minute and every hour. That's amazing. I think we will put them on our bookshelf right there. And do you remember we have our orange tablecloth? I will use them in my bedroom. Yeah, we'll switch them. Yeah. Okay, this is the end. So guys, I've been craving some Korean barbecue. That's why today we are making kalbi. Yes, and for kalbi we need beef short ribs, but unfortunately I have only boneless short ribs, but I think it will work. It's even better because it's easier to cook and easier to eat, so why not? Let's try. Yeah. Okay, let's thinly, not really thinly, sliced the meat between 1.5 and 1 centimeter, something in between, guys. Yeah. Now let's make marinade, and it's better to marinate the meat today and let it sit overnight in the refrigerator because that way it will soak up all the flavors and turn out super tender. Yeah, so for marinade we will need onion. We will need onion, just a half of an onion. And also Asian pear, 70 or 80 grams of Asian pear. Okay. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, it's better. And garlic, guys. Garlic and ginger. I have frozen ginger, homemade frozen ginger. Yes, but I forgot to divide it. Like, you know what I mean? Divide it into small pieces when I freeze it. So it's just one whole piece of a ginger. I need just 1 teaspoon of this ginger, but okay, we can make it. Oh, please, 5 grams. 5 grams, guys. And now we will blend it. Guys, we got our first organizers, so let's unbox them. Ooh, they are smaller than I expected, but okay. Wow, wow. So it's our food storage containers. I love these colors, guys. Look at them. It's from brand Hey. I will use this baby for pasta. Ta-da! We have 3 colors, red, blue, and white. And this baby I think we will use for rice. Ooh, I like these squares. It's like a chess. Blue and white. And this I think will be for flour. Maybe no. And this baby right here. She's so small, guys. Maybe for sugar. Maybe for sugar, actually. Or maybe for like a pasta, another type of pasta. We'll see. So here are our new organizers. Let's give them a quick wash because I want to use them right away, guys. Wow, love it, love it, love it. This is my old organizers. So we have 4 organizers right here. This is my old organizers. It's time, guys. It's time to eat our kalbi. Yes! I'm so excited. Let's make it. Okay. Guys, we're about to get a real Korean barbecue experience at home. Who remembers my mukbang era? I actually still have the grill from those days, so why not? We will use it today. Our kalbi, guys. Welcome to our mukbang! Yeah! No, guys, but really, this scene, camera, and food with this grill really reminds me of my mukbang era. Yeah, it's literally like I'm filming mukbang right now. But no, we are not. And I want to watch something while I eat. And you know what, guys? Today we will watch my favorite K-drama. It's a new drama. It's called Bon Appetit, Your Majesty. Lead actress is Yuna from Soneshide. Yes, and this drama is actually still ongoing, but The whole vibe of this drama is really reminds me of my all-time favorite drama. It's called Moon Lovers Scarlet Hearts with IU. If you haven't watched it yet, you absolutely have to watch this drama. I'm talking about Moon Lovers. Yeah, because it's so funny and sad at the same time. You will cry a lot and oh my god, it's my favorite one. Yeah. And Bon Appetit, Your Majesty. I think it will be my all-time favorite number 2. I hope so. Yeah, because on top of that, as I said earlier, in this new drama, there are so many cooking scenes, which I just love, guys, because as you probably understand by now, I actually love cooking. I really enjoy it and I like to watch people cooking, so it's just a perfect match. And I'm waiting new episodes every week like crazy, like I had to go. Okay, so I'm so ready. My hair is so flat today. Okay. Guys, let's get ready with me for the gym because big news. We got a gym membership. Yes, guys, because you know what? I gave up on the idea of building my own home gym. It just feels a little harder to work out when it's cold outside. Even though I live in LA, it's get chilly here, okay? And I realized that I need more machines, heavier weights. That's why I'm a gym girl now. Yeah, today is my only second day. I went there a couple of days ago for the first time, and guys, it was stressful. It was so stressful. I was so nervous and I'm still is. And right now I'm trying to figure out the best time for workouts when the gym is almost empty. So hope today is that day and that time. And yeah, let's get ready with me. We need to hurry up because I don't have the time, guys. So guys, we just got some packages in and these are our new fridge organizers. Yeah, as you can see, we got a few of them. So get ready for it, guys, because it will be such a long unpacking, but I will try to do it quickly, okay? Ooh. Okay, let's start with this one right here. Why? Just tell me why. There are so many boxes. It's a box, in a box, in another box. Ooh, yes. This is our new milk bottle for whole milk, oat milk, and I got some for juices. So I ordered some pull-out drawers, and these are dividers for these drawers. We got 3 of them. It's a food container for different meat cuts or cheese, mozzarella. I like this quality, it's really good. Yeah. So guys, we got some baskets to storage food or different snacks in white, and I think I will storage here like potatoes, onions, yeah, in my cabinet. I think, yeah, we got 4 of them. Nice. Ooh, wow. Yes, we got a lot. Let me start with this. Oh my god, I wanted them so much. So we got this herbs saver pod to keep our herb fresh longer. We got 3 of them. Okay, how we should. No, I think it's kind of broken. I don't think that. Okay, let me try with another 2. Okay, so 2 of them in a really good condition, but one of them, it's kind of broken, I think, because I can't close it. See, should I return it or I can use it this way? I will think about this. Then. Ooh! Yes! Wow! So, these are organizers for fruits and veggies. You know, when you need just a half of something, when you need like a half of a avocado, lemon, or maybe tomato or onion, and you need to keep another half. I usually put it like in a big food container or in a plastic wrap, but we have this cute little container where we can storage our half of something. Wow! And they are reusable, so I like it. Oh my god. Ooh, yes. Okay, it's a glass pickle jar with lip stainer. So when you eat your pickles or olives, you have this liquid. So you put it here, your pickles, and then you storage everything like that with the liquid. But when you need to grab one pickle, you just flip it and liquid will be down here and your pickles will be up here. I mean, it's genius. It's so genius. So yeah, I got 2 of them. That's nice. Oh god. Oh god. We got different glass containers for food storage with a pink lid. Oh, look at this baby. Another baby. So yeah, this is our food containers. Ooh. Just So this is our egg holder, and also we got another organizer. It's a drink organizer. No. This is instructions. Okay. organizer for drinks. Yes, that's amazing. That's amazing. And now the last one, but not least, and it's boxes. Yeah. Oh. So guys, we got all our drawers for our veggies and fruits. And they are also stackable. So, and do you remember our dividers? These 3 babies. So good. I think I should order more of these dividers because it's super convenient to storage our berries, like a raspberry. Yeah. We're almost done. That's great. This is size large, and we also have here like dividers. Ooh. Why is it so perfect? Look. Oh wow. Ta-da! So guys, this is our organizers, and I don't think that I bought that much of organizers. Most of them were just boxes, honestly. Yeah. Okay, this is our backstage, guys. So many boxes. Yeah, look at the organizers, guys. That's just so clean. You know what I mean? Wow. Before using all these organizers, yeah, I need to give them a good wash. And honestly, this is the hardest part, but okay, let's do this. Alright guys, the fun part begins. It's time to organize our fridge. Yes! I ordered some groceries and drinks since I didn't do any shopping last week on purpose, so we could get everything done in one go. So, let's go. Let's get it started. I don't even know where should I start, guys, because why do I have so many veggies and fruits and drinks and everything and sauces? Ooh. Okay, I think we will start with veggies. We need to wash them, and then we'll start to organize our drawers and stuff, and then we'll put everything into the fridge. Maybe, yeah. Yes. I think I have to do a room tour of our fridge, right? So it's a room tour, guys. Here on the left we have our drinks, then protein yogurt, our milk and juice, and then we have our veggies and fruits, and also eggs, cheese. In these two drawers on the left I decided to put like different sour creams, cheese, sausages, butter. So yeah, and on the right I decided to put everything Korean, like here. And also here will be like a kimchi, because I have a really big container of kimchi, and currently I'm waiting for 2 kimchi organizers. Yes, they exist. Kimchi organizers, and we will put it right here. And at the bottom we will keep here our leftover food. Like I have some deliveries, so I put it here. Then I have my sauces right here. What I don't like is that, do you see, they are like so different. So I don't know, should I buy like jars, organizers for this type of sauces, or it's too much? I don't know, let me know guys, please. In here, wow, look at this we have our herbs, our pickles and jams. So yeah, looks like that. It's just so perfect. It's really is. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. What do you guys think? Because I love it. I love it so much. It's really good. We did it for the first time and it's really good. Oh, I have a drawer. Oh my god, where should I put this drawer? Oh, I don't have space in this. Oh, I actually can put it right here and put this meat at the bottom. Oh, let me think. Butter.